How to delete your Telegram account permanently? Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Telegram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Telegram account on any device. So this will work not only on your iPhone or Android phone, but it'll also work on a PC, MacBook, or even a Chromebook. So if you dig through the settings in Telegram, you won't find anything that allows you to actually delete your Telegram account. So what we need to do is actually open up a browser on any device, and this includes your phone or computer, and navigate to telegram.org/delete. So once we go there, we'll see that we have a new screen that says delete your account or manage apps. So all we need to do now is simply enter the phone number that we use for our Telegram account, and you have to enter it in an international format. So you can select this and learn more about that. So select next once you have your phone number entered in an international format. Then on your phone or whatever device you have Telegram installed and you're using it, you'll get a message that will have a code. So we just need to enter that code into the Telegram website here and then select sign in. So now that we're signed in to Telegram, all we need to do is select delete account. And as you can see here, it's just warning us real quick that if we delete our account, all of our messages, contacts, and every picture, anything like that within our messages will be deleted and we won't be able to recover those items. And they also show you how to change your phone number in Telegram if you wanted to do that rather than deleting your account. And they tell you that if your account was limited because of spam related activity, this will not remove that limitation. So once you're ready to delete your account, simply enter the reason why you're leaving and then select delete my account. Now I'm not going to do that because I don't want to delete my account, but once you select delete my account, your account will be permanently deleted from Telegram. All right, so that's how you delete your Telegram account permanently. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Telegram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.